Welcome to Red Ted Art. Oh, it's so warm today. I really need this fan. Oh, it feels so lovely. Today we're going to be making this super cute watermelon fan. It just needs paper, some lolly sticks and obviously some tape. And look, it folds up into this super cute pocket-sized, well, fan. Anyway, let's get making. Oh, don't forget to subscribe. We'd love to see you here again soon. Anyway, off we go. So to make your fans, you will need 2 sheets of A3 paper in red. Now I've cut this in halves already, and you actually only need 3 of these. So I'm going to take one away. So this is A3 or letter size paper. So 3 of those cut in half. You'll need 1 sheet of green paper where I've cut, you know, I think they're eighths actually, are out of the sheet of paper. So some green strips and then some white strips. Now if you don't have red, green and white, well, you should have white because that's photocopy paper. You can always colour it in by pen. Obviously that takes a bit longer, but you know, that's fine. You also need a black pen. You need, very importantly, some Pritt stick. You do need a little bit of sellotape, some lolly sticks and some scissors. Now I'm not going to use the scissors much now because I've already done most of the cutting already, just to shorten the video, but you will need obviously to cut your paper to begin with. So firstly you need to prepare your paper. So I haven't cut this quite straight, as you can see, but I'm going to fix that when I start the gluing. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to just put a bit of glue all along here, like so, and then I'm going to glue down my green strip of paper, like so, and I'm going to make sure that the top bit is nice, you know, that you've got the same distance all along. So you do want this to be as neat as possible, like so. I think that's quite good. And then I'm going to stick this white over the top, so that will give you that rind look. So, and then I'm going to repeat that 3 times, and then we'll go to the next step. So let me just finish the white. Now when you repeat it for the other 2, it's really important that you align, make sure that as you're sticking, so you're sticking the next one on, that everything's aligned, so you've got the same height here and here and here. So you want all 3 sheets of paper to end up looking exactly the same. So then once you've stuck that all on, you take your black marker pen and you draw on some black seeds. So I'm going to finish that off, and then I'm going to do the other 3 sheets of paper, and then we'll go to the next step. What you saw me do there, I decided on a whim to add a piece of white paper on the back as well, because it just means that my fan will be double-sided. But to be honest, you don't have to do both sides. I just chose to do that because I thought, why not? Now I'm just trimming off the edges because my white paper appears to be a little bit bigger than my red and my green, but that's fine. So I just want to neaten it all up. And now what you have to do with all 3 sheets of paper, you take each one and then you fold up, just like so. And you have to try and get it as neat as possible. So this is about, I'd say, a centimetre fold. It doesn't matter too much, it's up to you, but it helps to have it as neat as possible. It will make a nicer fan. To be honest, if it's a little bit unneat, it's really not the end of the world, but it will be a bit better. So I'm going to do that. So basically you just keep switching it, flicking it round and folding, and I'm going to do that all the way up with all 3 of them. There we go. Each of you seen with the other 2, I just trim off if there's any little bits sticking out, like so. And then you take your glue and you take one of these folds, add lots to it, like so, and then you stick it to make sure they line up. So this side's a bit higher and this one's a bit fatter, just because of how I did it. But you line them up and you stick them together. Make sure they do line up nicely, yeah? And then you take this end and you put lots of glue. Pritt Stick really is amazing when it comes to paper. And again, you take the next one along, like so, you line them up and you make sure they're stuck really tight. So you're getting there, almost finished. So nice, and make your folds nice and neat. Make sure it's stuck really well. Now I'm going to take a bit of sellotape. And I'm going to fold it at the bottom. Some people like to hot glue gun this. I think sellotape does the trick. And then you just, not all the way, about halfway, stick it on. You stick it all the way around, like so, just to keep all the bits together, make it nice and tight. And then you trim the little bit here. Again, like I say, some people quite like to add some glue here just to make sure it's all stuck in together, but to be honest, it should be okay. If you find your at any point that your thing's coming apart, you might want to hot glue gun it down there, but for us it's worked. And then you're almost there. Now you take your lolly sticks, and again, this is why I think Pritt Stick's amazing. It does actually work. You get lolly sticks, you put glue on both sides, but leave about the bottom bit about this much free, like so. Then you slide it into the end one, leave, you know, your little bit to hold free, nice and tuck it nicely in. Same on this one. Now we've made quite a few of these in lots of different colours and designs, and we've actually used real lolly sticks with quite a few of them. We've got some craft sticks from the shop, but we also had some real lolly sticks, so you can use real lolly sticks. So now make sure that they're lined up. Give it a really good squeeze. You might want to add a bit of glue in here if you want to. You don't have to. I might do that afterwards. And then now this hasn't dried properly yet, but I'm going to show you anyway because it's so exciting. And you bring it down. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Bring it down. Now you carefully fold it round this little bit of the tape, and there you have your very own watermelon fan. Feel this. Can you feel the air wafting? La la la. Now, as I said, we've done loads and loads of other designs. Look, we've done some in pretty papers and colours. So you don't have to do watermelon. You can use plain paper, you can colour it, and you can, you know, put designs on it. But really, it's up to you. I really do love the watermelon one though. I think it's really fun. And look, on this one, it actually works on both sides. Now, and then when you want to store it, fold it up like this, pop it in your pocket, and you can take it anywhere you go. Isn't that amazing? Yes. Anyway, give me the thumbs up, subscribe, check out my channel. I have so many crafts for you. Leave me comments down below telling me what you'd like to see, and hopefully we'll see you here at Red Ted Art again soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Oopsie. Bye bye. Let's just open it up for you one more time. Sorry.